Leaf vegetables, conjointly known as a leafy greens, salad greens, pot herbs, vegetable greens, or just greens, are plant leaves consumed as a vegetable, generally accompanied by tender petioles and shoots. Though they come from a really wide selection of plants, most share an excellent influence to a great leaf vegetable in nutrition and culinary ways. Nearly 1,000 species of plants with edible leaves are found. Leaf vegetable more frequently came from momentary herbaceous plants like lettuce and spinach. Woody plants of varied species conjointly offer edible leaves. These plants are usually far more prolific than ancient leaf vegetables. However, exploitation of their generous nutrition is difficult because of their high fiber content. This may be overcome by more processes like drying and grinding into powder or pulping and pressing for juice. Leaf vegetables are generally known to be low in calories and fat and high in protein per calorie, dietary fiber, vitamin C, provitamin A carotenoids, folate, manganese and vitamin K. If leaves are prepared for food, they will be known as boiled greens. Leaf vegetable is also stir-fried, stewed, steamed or consumed raw. Leaf vegetable boiled with pork may be an ancient dish in food and southern US cuisine. They are conjointly ordinarily eaten up during a form of South Asia dishes like saag. Leafed greens are a custom wrap different ingredients into an edible package during a manner just like a flapjack. Several inexperienced leafy vegetables like lettuce or spinach may also be eaten up raw, for instance in sandwiches or salads. A green smoothie permits giant quantities of raw leafed greens to be consumed by mixing the leaves with fruit and water. Spinach. This plant has vitamin A, C, E, K, folate and vitamin B. The minerals iron, potassium and magnesium, and therefore the phytonutrients fiber, calcium, manganese and lutein. It maintains eye health and red corpuscles perform, strengthens bones, regulates pulse rate and vital sign, and combats free radicals. Rainbow chart or Swiss chart. Rainbow chart contains vitamin A, C, E, K, folate and vitamin B. The minerals iron, potassium and phosphorus, and contains the phytonutrients fiber, choline, calcium. It helps maintain animal tissues, regulate pulse rate, vital sign and sugar levels, prevents anemia and boosts immunity. Kale. This dark leaf is high in vitamin A, C, K, folic acid and vitamin B. The minerals iron, potassium and therefore the phytonutrients lutein, carotenoids, manganese, copper and fiber. Kale helps lower cholesterol and therefore the risk of cancer. It detoxes the body, prevents bones loose, has medicine properties, and it helps with seeing the system, flexibility, hydration and your metabolism. Per calories, kale has a lot of iron than beef, a lot of metal than milk, and 10 times a lot of antioxidant than spinach. Arugula. Arugula is high in vitamin A, C, K, folate and vitamin B. The minerals iron and contains the phytonutrients metal and B vitamin. It's high in antioxidants, builds healthy bones, prevents inflammatory disease and anemia, lower cholesterol, battles the onset of heart condition and protests against cancerous growths. Radish greens. Radish greens, which are notable to be rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, calcium, vitamin A, potassium, and folic acid, have long been utilized in ancient Ayurvedic cooking from India. They are brewed in teas or added to sautés and believed to purify the blood, cleanse the liver, and flush out toxins that were stored. Mustard greens. Mustard greens or the leaves of the mustard plants are also known to be an Indian mustard. Studies have shown that additionally it contains a lot of antioxidants and minerals. Indian mustard are powerful cancer fighter due to glucosinate, a plant chemical that has anti-cancer properties. It conjointly offers cruciferous vegetables. They are delicious, bitter quality. Indian mustard is also related to lower cholesterol, provides healthy skin and hair, and boosted immunity due to their high level presence of vitamin K and C.